Hey Clean Queens, get ready to clean with me today as I clean, organize, and declutter all around my house.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul.
It is the morning after Presley's birthday party, and we've got complete disaster to clean up in the playroom. So get ready for some cleaning motivation, right Presley? And don't forget, every time you watch my videos this month, you can help donate to the National MS Society in honor of my daddy. He's been fighting MS for almost 14 years now, and all you have to do is not skip ads when you watch, and I'll be donating all ad revenue from now until June 28th. So thank you so much for watching and supporting this cause. It's very near and dear to my heart. And if you're new, please subscribe, and I'd love to hear from all of my cleaning queens in the comments below. Just how are you? Let me know while you watch this cleaning video.
So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
But I hope that this cleaning video gives you some extreme motivation if you need to clean, organize, or declutter, because we're doing it all in this video. I actually filmed this over the course of 4 days, so you'll see some outfit changes, and you'll also get to see a sneak peek of how our kitchen renovation is coming along. I cannot wait to share the kitchen makeover with you all soon, and that's also when I'll be decorating for summer, so I can't wait to share that with you as well. Let me know if you have any other summer video requests or cleaning video requests in the comments too while you're watching. So this was the week after Presley's birthday party, so that's why I started with the basement where all of the kids had been playing. But of course there were loads of laundry, pun intended. But I had to reorganize the kitchen drawers from after the countertop installation and clean the bathrooms, change sheets, just tidy up toys, declutter, straighten the house. So there's a lot of motivation in this video for you guys. Okay, so the demo team just went to go get lunch, but all of the tile is off and they've patched the wall if there was any part where there was like drywall that came out. And then they said they just have to paint, like they're gonna paint over the wall there. And then we just have to wait for the countertops to get installed, and then they're gonna start tiling once the new countertops are in. So here's progress of day one. They painted over where they filled in the drywall, and I feel like it kind of gives you sort of at least like a look of how much it's gonna like brighten everything up when there's white tile back there. So I'm getting so excited. Prezi, are you excited?
No.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. Can't wait.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up.
I always use Clorox wands to clean the toilet, which I'd highly recommend if you have not tried them yet. They seriously make it so much easier, and I have wands next to all toilets in our home. But I love the scent of these Scentivia Clorox wipes for summer because they have a coconut scent to them, so it smells very beachy and it's just sort of fun to clean with for the summer.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart.
And if you watched the Things I Hate to Clean video, I made it earlier this month, and I did it with a collab with Emily Norris, so her video was really good too. But you know the stairs are one of the things I hate to vacuum, but seriously, this Dyson vacuum is the best. It is not cheap, but it makes cleaning so much easier without a cord, and it's so lightweight. And I love converting it to the handheld for on my couch. You'll see that at the end of this video, spoiler alert, ending with my favorite thing, those vacuum lines on the couch, right? Also, I've been thinking about changing up the pillows on my bed for summer. What color do you think might look nice? I feel like that's one of the easiest things to do is have neutral bedding and just get some new colored pillows or throw blankets, and you can kind of change it up seasonally. Before I reorganize these drawers, do you notice the new kitchen countertops? I cannot wait to show you how it all turns out, but I'm just spraying the Mrs. Meyer's Peony Multi-Surface Spray in the drawers just to wipe them out before I organize them. I did a huge kitchen KONMARI video earlier this year, so if you want to check that out as well, you can see all of the organization I did, and it's really held up well here in the kitchen.
Everything's
I picked up these vanilla and cream Febreze garbage bags. I got them at Target. They smell freaking amazing. Like, they smell so good. And part of our renovation, they installed a new kitchen sink. Our old sink was a 70-30 and the new sink is a 60-40 basin, and I like it a lot. And more than anything, I just like our new faucet because the old faucet was falling apart. The installation guy literally laughed at how the faucet looked, but they put the garbage disposal on the other side of the sink, so I switched around all of my under the sink organization bins. And I did an organization under the sink, like clean with me video, where you can watch that if you want to get some inspiration. But if you'd like an updated video where I can go deeper into just my under the sink organization, let me know that in the comments too.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you.
Oh no.
Can't you see?
No. Why? Seriously, never happened to me before. Why?
I don't need another love. Yeah, we do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too?
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get lots of cleaning and decluttering and organizing motivation, and I hope you subscribe if you're new. Thanks for supporting my channel this month. Remember, the more videos you watch, the more you can help us make a bigger donation to the National MS Society. So please share, binge watch all of the videos you want. It will go to such a good cause so that we can help other MS warriors out there so we can find a cure for a very cruel disease. Love you, cleaning queens. Thank you so much for cleaning with me. Bye, loves.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.